Hey there, welcome to Azad Learns. I recently started making videos for YouTube, but I don't have the necessary stuff. So, I started to make them on my own because some of them are expensive for me now. I was walking around the house and thinking about having a folding desk, and accidentally I found the parallel bars. I thought that putting a board on the parallel bars make it an easy folding desk. That is nice. Please subscribe me and like this video to support. Thank you. Here are my parallel bars. I found a good board for top, but there was a problem. If my hand hit the table, it falls off and wrecks my whole life. I screwed a cable tie to the board and used some paracord rope with a simple tie. Finally, I set it up and there it is. And just connect the board. Now I have a good workplace. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good time and bye-bye.